In this video, we're going to take a look at the topic of related calculations. With the example on the left-hand side, if I know that 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6, I need to work out what 8 times 0.6 is equal to. The whole point of a related calculation is that I can use the fact that 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6 in order to answer my question. In most cases, I might need to rearrange the original fact. So, 8 times 6 is equal to 48. Notice the similarity between 8 times 6 and 8 times 0.6. The only difference between the left and the right hand side is that in this case, I have to divide 6 by 10 in order to give me 0.6. Think of it like an equation. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. And therefore 48 divided by 10 is going to give me 4.8. As a check, I know that when I multiply a whole number by a decimal less than 1, the answer will always be smaller. 0.6 is roughly a half, and a half of 8 is 4. So we've got 4.8 as a reasonable answer in terms of place value. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this example, I know that 5 times 7 is equal to 35. And instead of rearranging this, let's rearrange the question that I need to answer. That 3.5 will equal 7 times something. As we can see on the right hand side, I'm dividing by 10 in order to give me 3.5. Nothing is happening to the 7, so this means that the 5 is being divided by 10 to keep it in balance. This means that the missing number that I'm after is 0.5. The answer to 3.5 divided by 7 is 0.5. The answer appears reasonable since a half of 7 is 3.5.